What's up, Marina? This is Abhilash Thakur. Welcome back to Sailor's Guide. Well, today I'm going to explain how we can do this annual inspection of Liferaft on board by using this kit. So let's get started.
Alright guys, so this is the kit has been provided by the Servitech company, which we have the Liferaft on board. This is the company name as Servitech. These Liferafts we have on board, and they have provided with this kit. With the help of this kit, we can do the annual inspection on board, so you don't have to send this Liferafts ashore. So they will go ashore only when they are going to get expire, which is normally about 2 years. Okay, so now we will see what is inside, and it's a little bit old, so yeah, it's a little bit worn off. So you can see here we have this one manual, okay, and it contains all of the information how to do this annual inspection, and there are the certificates they have given after finishing your after finishing your annual inspection. You have to fill up all of these details and give it to the master. You can see here there is one CD here. This is the training CD. Okay, so by using the CD you have to finish one training, which is a small course you have to finish, and they will provide you with one certificate. Okay, after that you have to send this certificate to Servitech company, and they will give us a permanent certificate, and they will actually authorize us to do the annual inspection. Okay, so basically you have to finish the training first, then only you can do the annual inspection, because you must have the certificate number. Okay, now this is the main part. Alright guys, so this is the main component. You can see this is one handheld they have provided. Actually, by using this we have to do the annual inspection. Okay, and this is one plug. I will show you what is the use of it. They have given one additional plug also for Liferafts. Here you can see this is a small spanner. Actually, this is for opening up this handheld device, so that you can replace the batteries. There are battery inside, so the spanner has been used here. Here you can see that this is a USB cable. If you want to inspect by using the laptop and you have a software inside, you can directly connect this USB to the Liferaft and get all the data. But we will not do that. We will actually use this device to get the details of CO2 and RH. Actually, this is the main you have to get for that, and CO2 level and RH, this is relative humidity, is all okay. Then it means that your Liferaft is okay. So there will be one sensor number. I will explain you what it is. Alright guys, so there are some few steps that you have to follow to do this annual inspection. The first thing is that you have to complete this one training, which I showed you in this kit. There is one CD, and you have to install that software into your computer, and you have to complete that training which is there. Okay, so and after completing that you will generate one certificate, which is the proof that you have completed the training, and that certificate you need to send to the Servitech, basically, which is the owner of this company, and they will come up with one more certificate which you have to mention in your Liferaft inspection report. Okay, because that certificate number and that certificate and that record of inspection you need to file all together, so that they know that this inspection has been done by the authorized person. You will be authorized only when you have completed the training. Alright guys, so now after that you have to use this handheld device and do the annual inspection. It's very simple. Actually, you have to plug in this USB into the Liferaft. There is one place where you can plug it in, and you will get the data of the CO2 and RH, and if it is green then it is all okay. And of course some of the figures will come up here. I will show you what it is when we go down. And you have to click all the photographs of the results, and you have to keep it as a proof. And there are some figures which will come in this device, which you have to note down, and which you have to put it in your annual inspection report. And that certificate you need to give it to the master, so that he can keep it for the record. And if somebody comes from outside for the inspection, we need to show those things, and we need to tell them that we have done this annual inspection on board, and we are authorized to do that by showing that certificate and the records. All right, so without wasting our time, now we will go down and do this inspection of the Liferaft. So let's get started. All right guys, so let's move out. Alright guys, you can see here these are the Liferafts which we have. This is actually 16% Liferafts. It's on the starboard side, and same we have on the port side. Okay, so before starting anything we have to do some checks. Okay, first we have to check the physical condition of the Liferaft, that there are no major cracks. If there are, you need to report to the Servitech. Okay, and also you need to check the lashing, that it is proper, and also you need to check the HRU. You already know what is HRU. HRU is hydrostatic release unit, and you need to check that it is still valid. You can see here it is marked here 2024, up to August, so it is still valid. So it is 2023 running, so it's still valid for up till 1.5 years. And you have to check the lashing is all good, it's all tight, and you need to check all the physical condition that it's all good. You have to check all around and it's all okay. Alright guys, so before starting anything else, you need to get all this information, click on the photograph in your camera or your mobile phone, or take a video of it, so that you know the serial number and all of these things you need to actually record into your annual inspection report. So better you take a picture of it, and also you need to take a picture of the HRU date, alright, August 2024. And after that you can start your inspection by using this handheld device. Alright guys, after that you can use this handheld device to do the annual inspection. So let's get started. You can see here that there is one plug here. This is the plug actually you need to remove, and there is one USB port inside where we need to insert this one. So for removing this plug, we have this spanner kind of a thing inside the kit which I showed you earlier. So you need to actually put it inside. You need to put it inside, rotate anti-clockwise, and you can see it is all open. I don't know if you can see, there is a USB port inside, and we will now insert this handheld device into it. Let's check the battery first. It's all power on. Okay, so now we will insert this one. Alright guys, so now you can see I have inserted. Now this is downloading the data. Okay, so let's see what it is. Yeah, it's two green lights, and it's showing this pass, and you can see there is a serial number also, and you have to note down everything. Okay, these things you need to note down, so that you need to put it in your records. So this Liferaft is all okay, and you can remove this device from it. Alright guys, after doing that, you need to record this on the label which is here. Actually there is one card inside, inspection card. You need to fill up all of this here. Okay, so you need to fill up this details that you have done the inspection here in this card. Okay, you can see this is a Liferaft servicing record, so you need to fill up all your details of your certificate and everything. Okay, so I cannot open it up because my hands are full, so you get the idea that you need to fill up all of this as per they have shown in the video. Okay, now one more thing you need to do, you need to mark this that you have done this 12 months annual inspection. Here is one tag here. You can see there is a 12 months and 24 months record, so you need to do this 12 months which is on the top, and it's actually done in the January, so you will mark first year, this first month. Actually you can scratch it down like this. Okay, and then you have to stretch down this year. So we have done in 2023. You can put one more scratch here. Alright guys, so now this process you will continue with all the Liferafts on board, and after finishing all of it, then you have to actually fill up these forms here, and you can see that there is a serial number of the Liferaft and sensor number. Sensor number you already remember that we got from the handheld device, so sensor number will be different for every Liferaft. Okay, and you can see here the Liferaft capacity, that is about 16% or 6%, whichever you have on board. Liferaft type, this is TO and DL. TO means throw overboard, DL is this debit Liferaft, but we have this TO type, that is throwing overboard. We have no debit Liferaft here. And date of annual inspection, what date you carried it out, and you have to write okay or not okay for the humidity sensor and for the CO2 sensor. Okay, so you have to write okay and okay for this. This is actually a report of your annual inspection. Okay, after that you have to keep this record here also, just same like you kept the record for 12 months on the Liferaft. Here also you will keep, you have to mark for the January in 2023 where we done this 12 months record. Also you need to write down the serial number of the Liferaft, and also you need to mention this CO2 and RH. You have to mark this pass and you have to circle this one. Okay, so for all the Liferaft you can do in one sheet only, and then you have to file it with this one, with this report. Okay, so these two you have to file, and you have to give your certificate also to the master. So this is the record you have to keep on board,
in case if anybody is asking for the annual inspection report. So that's how you do all of this process of annual inspection, and I hope I have cleared all of your doubts. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any questions, you can put down in the comment section below, and share this video to all of your friends. It will help me and help them also. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. This is Abhilash Thakur signing off.